Hello guys. Good morning. For our update for today, we have again a sponsor from Philippines. So thank you Cha, Shirley, Alex for our pasalubong, and we have the tuyo but I put already in the. So this is the chicharon. Sino nakaka-relate to guys? Yung mga papiso-pisong chicha at ang tatus. At ito ang jackfruit. And syempre, may pasigarilyo pa nga, but I'm not smoking. And this the most special is, who is relate with my panty? See guys, Soen is the best. So we can buy here in Victoria's Secret like this, but I choose Soen. Soen, the panty the best.